Right here in this video, I will show you how you can get a free $10,000 real Favour account. And if you watch this video to the very end, you will know how you can get yours as well. Now, I want you to know that this particular account will be ending soon, and that is why I'm making this video right now, so that you all can be able to get yours as soon as possible before this particular account ends. Right, and that is one of the reasons why I've been telling you guys to always join my Telegram channel, so that you will not miss out on wonderful updates like this. All right, so the link to join my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. Just click it and it is going to direct you right there. Right, and also please do well to like this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, so let's dive into how you can get this particular $10,000 free Favour account. All right, now to get this particular account is very simple. All you just have to do is to come to their homepage by using the link in the description of this video or in the comment section. All right, this particular account will be launching in the next 10 days. This trading platform will be launching in the next 10 days, as you can see shown right here. The official trading platform will be launching in the next 10 days, but I am making this video right now because so you can be able to secure this particular account. That is why I'm doing this video right now. All right, and I'll be sharing more details in my Telegram channel as well. All right, so to get the account, just click on this menu button shown right here, right, and then you click on the challenges, and as you can see right here, 2-step, the account type is standard and the account size is 10K. All right, so as you can see right here, the coupon code has been applied already. All right, as you can see, this is it, 300. So it has been applied already, and as you can see, this particular account is actually worth $110, but because of this coupon code, they are giving us for free. All right, so the next thing you have to do is to click on continue right here, and you input your details and everything, then you click on the get free challenge. All right, so after doing that, as you can see, oh, that's successful, as you can see right here. All right, so these are the details right here. This is 2-step account, and we are currently waiting for their trading platform to launch, so we can use this our trading account and this our trading password to log in and then start trading. All right, so to get this account is very simple and straightforward. This is how you can get yours successfully as well. And if you click on go to trade right here, it is going to show that their platform is launching soon, which is by September 1 they will be launching, and then you can just go back home right here. All right, as you can see. Now another thing about this particular account is that, as you can see right here, they have this competition going on. It is starting by August 5, so I just quickly want to share it with you. So to join the competition, you just have to click on the join competition right here, and they have a lot of free gifts that they will be giving out. As you can see, these are just 4,354 participants, and to enter is going to cost you $0, and this is the prize pool for those that will be in the competition. They are going to give from the very first person to the 30th person, as you can see right here. Right, so these are the rules of the competition, and to join is simple. You just have to enter the tournament right here. Click on enter tournament now, and more details will be shown to you. All right, so I have shown you how you can get the free $10,000 Favour, and I also show you how you can get into a particular competition. All right, so if this video really helped you, please do well to drop a subscription to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to like the video. Let us give this video as much like as we can. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also drop your comments. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel as well. Like I said, the link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.